Hey there, fellow budgeters! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the world of personal finance. Today, I'm diving into one of the most popular budgeting strategies out there, the 50-30-20 rule. This method has been a game changer for many people looking to take control of their finances. Sounds fancy, right? Well, it's actually super simple and, dare I say, fun. Once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever managed your money without it. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be budgeting like a pro. Trust me, your future self will thank you for it. All right, let's break it down. The 50-30-20 rule is all about splitting your income into three categories. First up, the essentials, 50%. The essentials are the non-negotiables, the things you absolutely need to survive. Think of it as the boring stuff you just can't live without. This includes rent, utilities, groceries, and other necessary expenses. Rent, utilities, groceries, the unsexy but absolutely necessary things. Just imagine your fridge without food. Yeah, not cool. You need to keep the lights on and food on the table. Next, we've got the fun part, 30% for wants. This is where you can let loose a little and enjoy life. Wants are the things that make life enjoyable but aren't essential for survival. This is where you can splurge a bit. Dining out, Netflix subscriptions, that new gadget you've been eyeing. These are the things that bring joy and comfort to your life. You've been good, you deserve it. But remember, keep it to 30%, no going overboard. Finally, the wise part, 20% for savings and debt repayment. This is where you plan for your future and ensure financial stability. This is your future self's best friend. Emergency fund, retirement savings, paying off that credit card debt. You'll thank yourself later when you're not eating ramen in retirement. It's all about securing your financial future. Now let's make this actionable. Step 1. Calculate your monthly income after taxes. This is the foundation of your budget. Step 2. Split it into the 50-30-20 categories. This is where the magic happens. Step 3. Track your spending. Keep an eye on where your money is going. And Step 4. Adjust as needed. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Your budget should be flexible and adapt to your changing needs. And if you're thinking, this sounds great, but I'm terrible at math, don't worry. There are tools to help. There are tons of budgeting apps out there that can do the heavy lifting for you. Just plug in your numbers and let the magic happen. These apps can help you stay on track and make adjustments as needed. To wrap things up, the 50-30-20 rule is all about balance. It helps you cover your needs, enjoy your wants, and secure your future. So whether you're saving for a rainy day or just trying to keep your budget on track, this rule can make a huge difference. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more awesome budgeting tips. Happy budgeting, everyone. Remember, every little bit helps, and you're on the right path to financial freedom. Catch you in the next video. Until then, keep those budgets balanced and those savings growing. See you next time.